viewers, welcome to the new video of MBS Learning, and today's video is something really different. I mean, all videos are different in our channel, and today's video is about alcoholic liver disease. I mean, the effect of alcohol on liver. So let's get into our video. So what is this liver? We know there is an organ called liver in our body, but we often don't know the actual functioning of this liver. And if you ask for that, it is playing a major role in the functioning of human body. Yes, our liver does different works like storing of glycogen, filtration of our blood, secretion of bile, and also protecting our body from different pathogenic diseases. So that is how our liver helps the body. Now we have learnt about this liver. Now we will relate it with this alcohol. As this liver is playing a major role in our body, the liver cells, not liver cells, here comes the liver lobules. These liver lobules are the functional units of liver. These liver lobules multiply, reproduce often, but if there is prolonged misuse of alcohol, then this regeneration will slow down. Yes, now comes the role of alcohol. There are 3 stages in alcoholic liver disease. So the first stage in that is alcoholic fatty liver disease. So from the name we can understand that there is something related to fat. Yes. So in the first few weeks of this habit, the habit of drinking alcohol, this disease occurs or is seen in that person's body. That is, if a person has started drinking, then within a few days or even weeks, fat lobules will form in his liver. Like, as we learned about liver lobules, fat lobules are fat-filled lobules. Okay, these fat lobules will form and affect these liver lobules. So actually this condition is reversible and it can also be treated, but much of the symptoms are not seen in this condition. So that is the first stage of alcoholic liver disease, and it can be stopped. It is reversible. The second stage in alcoholic liver disease is alcoholic hepatitis. Let's understand this term even more clearly. Alcoholic, something caused by alcohol. Hepa, something related to liver. Itis, it is inflammation. So inflammation of the liver caused by alcohol is alcoholic hepatitis. This is the second stage of alcoholic liver disease, and this is caused or seen in a patient when the patient drinks a large amount of alcohol in a short period of time or drinking in a longer period of time. So in this, as we got to know, it is inflammation of liver cells or liver lobules inside the liver, and it is curable when it is understood by the patient. The patient tries to stop the habit of alcohol consumption and tries to recover, it will recover. But in severe cases, it will lead to life-threatening conditions like death. So the third stage in alcohol liver disease is alcohol-related cirrhosis. Cirrhosis means a scar formed by the dead cells which is caused or which is killed by this alcohol consumption, which damages the liver. So this is cirrhosis. So the cirrhosis caused by alcohol consumption is alcohol cirrhosis. This is irreversible condition, and it can't be completely cured, but further complications can be prevented by reducing the consumption or completely reducing the consumption of alcohol. So a person who is having this condition and drinking a large amount of alcohol has only 50% of chance of living, which is usually some like 5 to 4 years. And now we will get into the complications of alcoholic liver disease. So the complications in this disease will be worse if there is diabetes and the habit of smoking. So in alcoholic liver disease complication, if you see that there will be a lot of toxins in our blood, and this toxin will accumulate in our brain. And other is ascites. Ascites means a fluid will fill the whole abdomen, which is also related with the kidney. And the other thing is a loss of appetite, loss of weight, and like even liver cancer. A person who is totally addicted by alcohol will face it very difficult to stop this habit. But that is the only main way to prevent this in the earlier stages. If a person has come to the last stage, which is cirrhosis, and had stopped the consumption of alcohol completely, then only the doctors will prefer liver transplant. In the earlier stages, if the person stops also, liver transplant will be advised. So that is how usually treatment is done. So that's all for today, and like, share, subscribe and comment for our channel to make many MDS learners. So thank you.